Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to transfer money from PayPal to any South African bank account. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening your browser and going to the FNB online banking website. First, it is important to know that in South Africa, PayPal withdrawals can only be processed through FNB PayPal services. Even if you bank with another bank, the transfer must go through FNB first. You do not need to have an FNB bank account to use this service. The steps are the same for both FNB and non-FNB customers. The only difference is how you access FNB online banking. If you do not bank with FNB, tap Register on the FNB online banking homepage. Then select Register for PayPal for non-FNB customers. Next, choose I do not bank with FNB. From here, you will need to fill in your personal details, contact details, and create your online banking profile. Once that's done, sign into your new profile. If you already bank with FNB, simply sign in using your online banking details. If you do not have an online banking profile yet, you can create one using your existing FNB account details. Once you are signed in, you will be on the home screen. From here, click Forex. Then click PayPal Services. Next, select PayPal Withdrawal. If your PayPal account is not linked yet, follow the prompts to link it. Once that's done, select the bank account you bank with. Next, enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. After that, continue and confirm the transaction. From here, the money will be processed and sent to your South African bank account. This usually takes a few business days to reflect. Now let's look at the mobile app method. From the home screen, scroll until you see Forex. Then tap Forex. Next, tap PayPal Services. After that, select PayPal Withdrawal. Once that's open, select the bank account that you bank with. Next, enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Then tap Continue and confirm the transaction. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from PayPal to any South African bank account. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.